Hi, this is an instructional video on how to install the skid plate for the RAD ROVER 6. This is a skid plate. These are the bumpers that the wires will flow through, and the skid plate also protects not only the wires but the crank sensor. So let's go ahead and show you how to install it. Okay, first thing you want to do is either put your bike on a bike stand or turn it over. I use a dog bed because it's soft and it protects everything. And then you'll use a 2mm wrench, and you want to remove this lower screw that covers the wires that run along the frame. We'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, when you get your skid plate, you will receive a fender washer, an aluminum spacer, and a hex head screw 30mm long, and this is what you'll do. Place the fender washer and the hex head screw in there. Then you're going to put the spacer on and carefully get down along the bike and install that in the hole that you had previously removed the screw from. Okay, once you snug this bolt up that attaches to the frame, don't tighten it, just snug it up, because you want to be able to move it within that slot. And you'll slowly bring your bumpers down to where they hit or come close to contacting the frame, and then slide the skid plate up till it's in position, then tighten it up. Like that. Next, let's go ahead and put the zip ties on. You want to then take your zip ties, bring it down through one of the holes, bring it up to the other side, and just don't tighten it up, just real loose for right now, and then we'll go ahead and do the other side. Now, you want to go ahead and start cinching up your zip ties, and you want to keep checking and make sure your bumpers are going to rest or make contact with that bottom part of the crank assembly. And there we go. And if you'll look inside there, you will see that your wires are coming up out of the frame, protected by the skid plate, and they run through those two bumpers. So any impact you have is going to be absorbed by those bumpers in the skid plate. You will also notice, as we look vertically down from the top, that the crank sensor is got some protection and covered. And none of the wires are in a bind, and you should be good to go. Okay, skid plate's nice and solid, bumpers in the right place, and this has been tightened up front. Now we'll just clip the zip ties and we'll be off for a ride. Thanks for watching.